Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an F250 mirror. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel trim piece, usually near the mirror. This reveals the 3 nuts holding the mirror in place. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Now, with the trim removed, you will see the electrical connector for the mirror. Carefully unplug this connector to separate the mirror's power supply. Next, use your 10mm socket to fully remove the 3 nuts you previously located. Once the nuts are off, the old mirror can be gently pulled straight out from the door, guiding the wiring through the opening. With the old mirror out, take your new replacement mirror. Carefully feed its electrical wiring harness through the opening in the door. Align the 3 mounting studs on the new mirror with the corresponding holes in the door frame. Once aligned, push the mirror firmly into place. Then, hand tighten the 3 10mm nuts onto the studs, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror's wiring harness, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece, aligning the clips and pressing firmly until it snaps back into position. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test all the new mirror's functions, such as power adjustments, heating, and turn signals, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.